How to delete search history on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you need to scroll all the way down to the account actions section, and from there click on clear search history. Once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that tells you that this will clear your search history. Click on OK to confirm, and as you can see, the search history has been successfully cleared. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear your Snapchat search history. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.